Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add your data from Airtable to Kodular, so let's get right into it. Now, once you're in your project on Kodular, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the left here and click on Storage, and then add the spreadsheet component from Airtable, like so. Then you're going to want to get your personal access token from the Data Developer Hub for Airtable, which is this one here. It does say API key, however, API keys are outdated and no longer work, so you're going to need a personal access token. Then you need the base ID by going into Airtable, clicking Help, clicking on API documentation, and it'll take you here. You want to go to metadata and then copy this text over here. That is your base ID. Then name the table whatever you want, table 1, for example. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to user interface, and we're going to add a button, and we're going to add a label as well. Now, once that's done, we're going to go into blocks and then go first and select button 1. Then when the button has been clicked, go to spreadsheet 1, then get all rows like this. And that should be it for that. Then you're going to want to go into spreadsheet, and then when the spreadsheet got all rows, we're going to go to label 1, set label 1 text 2, and let me just find it. It should be somewhere here. There we go. Set label 1 text 2, and then we're going to click on response content and set get global rows. And that is pretty much how you do it. Now you can test your project and see if everything works, but it should, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.